Ini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
May 193 ka mga kapungsuran sa bugos nga kalibutan. Sa kadamuon pa lang, mabudlay na tandaan ang mga ngalan. Apang, para sa siyam katuig nga si Simon Josef Tejido, sang Kabangkalan City, Negros Occidental. Memoryado ng mga capital city. Sa ulado pa ang flags sang mga ini. Ang abilidad ang kabahin lang sa mga dalayawon nga ikasarang ni Simon sa lamharon nga pangidaron.
Bawari G-News, kapuso, makupod natin subong aga si Simon Josef Tejido. Simon, ako si Manong mo Adrian. Good morning.
Good morning, Manong Adrian.
Simon, how are you doing at home? Kamusta ka? How's your mom, your father? Kag, I think may ginapaabot ka nga baby brother or baby sister?
Baby sister,
Baby sister, how are you doing at home?
I'm fine. I've been very busy lately with the online classes and our exams are on Friday and Saturday.
Wow, nice. Nice to hear that you are focusing on education and you're probably reading most of the time. You're only 9 years old right now. What grade are you and where do you go to school, by the way?
I am in grade 4 and I go to Southern College in Kabangkalan.
So what's your favorite subject, Simon, in school?
English.
Why English?
Because it's easier than most of the subjects.
So what's your second most favorite after English?
Math.
Why math? I don't like math ever since. Why do you like math?
Because it's also easy, like English.
Okay, easy like English. Ba, makapuso ka ba? Teka mo to? I learned from your parents and teachers that you have a very sharp, a very good memory. Mega memory, they say. How were you able to memorize the flags of these countries and even the capitals of the nations? Who helped you, Simon?
My mama and papa sometimes let me watch YouTube videos as long as they're for educational purposes.
Okay, Simon, are you ready for this one? We'll be having a very short quiz. I know this is going to be very easy for you. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
I will flash some flags and please tell me what country it belongs to and the name of its country and the capital. Okay, first flag.
Taiwan, Taipei.
Next flag is this one.
Argentina, Buenos Aires.
Next one is this one.
Algeria, Algiers.
Algeria, Algiers, right. Do pero di mo pagidiya ang mga magulang pa sa mo kasagad sa mo. Next one is this one.
Liechtenstein, Vaduz.
Wow! How do you pronounce this one again?
Liechtenstein, Vaduz.
Very good. Ako ganito, hindi ko ni kabalusang paano na yung maghambal ba? Bile ba? Last flag is... I know you can get this one.
Ethiopia, Addis Ababa.
Abe, so mga kapuso naton nga nagatanaw sa buong palakpakanta si Simon. Simon, how many countries ang imo nga na-memorize?
All of them.
All of them. Okay. Apart from the countries, it's capitals, it's flags. What else do you know about?
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. What's your favorite dinosaur, by the way?
Brachiosaurus.
And why is that?
Because they have such a long neck. Like me. I also want to have a long neck.
Simon, I would want to know, Manong Adrian would want to know, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a teacher just like my mama and papa because they inspire me so much.
What's your Christmas wish, Simon?
I wish that the COVID-19 would stop so that we could go back to our normal lives and that we can enjoy our life.
So what's your message to your mama and papa? For sure, they are around supporting you most of the time.
Mama and papa, I will thank you that all of the things that you have given me and what you've inspired me, and also I love you.
Simon, thank you. Where's your mom? Where's your dad? Di si mama mo, papa mo? Sige.
ang mensahe ko sa mga ginikanan, no? um, first of all, we have to respect the interest of the child, and we have to support it. We should not assert our wants, no? Want him to become or her to become. Always respect the interest of the child and support it, because it will become his or her strength in his life, no? To become a good person.
Grabe, bili ba ka namin ang talento gin-share sa aton sa bunga aga ni Simon. Kagkanami nga sa likod sa mga bata nga pareho sa iya, amo maginikanan nga wala untat ang suporta.